What's up everybody, and welcome to another video on SAT Math on our channel. Let's start with the first question, question 31. If we have 9ax plus 9b minus 6 equals 21, based on the equation above, the value of ax plus b, we want to find the value of ax plus b. Means that we will take 9 as a common factor, but before that we have to change negative 6 from the left hand side to the right hand side with opposite signs. So it will be 9ax plus 9b, which equals 21 plus 6, which equals 27. Taking 9 as a common factor, we've divided all sides by 9. I think it's better. So we have ax plus b, which equals 27 divided by 9, which equals 3. So the answer is question 32. In the figure above, what is the value of x? We have three angles of x and 45. This is a polygon with 4 sides, so the sum of measures of the interior angles equals 360. So we have 3x plus 45, 3x as we have 3 angles, 8 plus 45, which equals 360. Using calculator, you can find the value of x, or you can subtract 3x equals 360 minus 45. So x equals 360 minus 45 divided by 3, which equals an obtuse angle, which is 100, which equals 105. Question 33. A customer paid $53 for a jacket for a 6% sales taxes was added. What is the price of the jacket before the sales tax? So the later price before the sales taxes was added bx. So we have x plus 6% from x, so it will be 6% x equals 53. Now you can take x as a common factor, so it will be x times 1 plus 6% equals 53. As you know that 1 equals 100%. So by adding 100% plus 6% equals 106%, which equals 106 over 100. So it will be 1.06. So x times 1.06 equals 53. Divide both sides by the coefficient of x, so it will be 53 divided by 1.06, which equals 50. So the answer is question 34. In this question, we want to find the greatest difference between the actual percent and the percent predicted by the line of the best fit. This is for the greatest one. So the greatest one, I think this point, this is the greatest one. And by the way, this is the actual. And this line, which is called the predicted line or the line of the best fit, just find this one, which equals 85, and the actual, which equals approximately equals 92. So subtract 92 minus 85, which equals 7%. So the answer is. Let's move to the next question. Question 35. Question 35. In this question, we have a survey of all 50 states. So we have the mean of all of the 50 states. The mean equals 26.95%. This is not the mean, this is the median. Okay. We want to find the difference between the median for the 7 states and this median. So you have to find the median. As you know, we're the smallest one. We will cancel it with the biggest one, which is 36. We're the smallest, which is 21. We're the greatest, which is 35. So we have 27, 25, and 30. We cancel 25 with 30. So this is the median of the 7 states. Then we will find the difference between them, which is 27.9% minus 26.95%, which equals 0.95%. So the answer is. Let's move to question 36. And the figure above, line L and line M are parallel. Y equals 20. Where is Y? This Y, its measure equals 20. Okay. Before answering, this angle equals 20, so also this one equals 20. We have to draw a line, so this measure equals 160. Okay. And the angle Z equals 60. This angle, its measure equals 60. It means also this one equals 60 and this one 120. This is 60, this is 120, this is 120. Also, this is 160, this is 160. What is the value of x? How can we find the value of x? You have a triangle like that, or the small one, 20, 60, and the third one it should be equals 8 equals 100. As you know that the sum of the interior angles of any triangle equals 180, so the answer is Question 37. Question 37, x plus 1 equals 2 over x plus 1. And the equation above, which of the following is the possible value of x plus 1? Using cross multiplication, you will multiply x plus 1 times x plus 1, which equals x plus 1 squared, and 2 times 1, which equals 2. Taking the square root for both sides, so x plus 1 equals the square root of 2, so the answer is Question 38, the table above shows the distribution of ages of 20 students enrolled in the college class. Which of the following gives the correct order of the mean, median, and mode of the ages? First, we have to find the mode. As you know that if you have a frequency table like that, the most common repeated number is the highest one. So the frequency here is 6. So the equivalent value, which is 18, so the mode equals 18. Then when we find the median, if you have a frequency, we have 6, and since its values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and subtract 1 from here, it will be 3. So we have 3 here, subtract 3 from here, so it will be 2. So the median equals 19. So if you want to find, the answer is 8. If you want to find the mean, how can we find the mean for the frequency? Just multiply 6 times 18 plus 5 times 19 plus 4 times 20 plus 2 times 21 plus 23 plus 22 plus 30 all over 20 gives you a number which is greater than 19. So the answer is Question 39. Which of the following is a value of x for which expression negative 3 over x squared plus 3x minus 10 is undefined? Undefined, both the denominator equals 0. Factor. So x squared, it will be x and x, and it will be 2 and 5. Positive, negative, so this sign it will be positive, and this one it will be negative. Means we have x minus 2 equals 0, or x plus 5 which equals 0, so x equals 2 or x equals negative 5. We have no conditions here, so search for yes, we have 2 here, so the answer is D. Let's move to the last question. The system of equations, we have 7x plus 3y equals 8 and 6x minus 3y equals 5. For the solution x and y, the system of equations above, what is the value of x minus y? X minus y, I think if you add both equations, we have 13x equals, we will cancel 3y with negative 3y, so it will be 13 divided both sides by 13, so x equals 1. Plug in an equation, so we have 7 times 1 plus 3y equals 18, so it will be 7 plus 3y equals 8, so we have 3y equals 1, means y equals third. Then we want to subtract x minus y, it means we will subtract 1 minus third, which equals 2 over 3. Thank you for watching.